Hey guys, Eric Roberts, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set levels going into your iPhone using a really simple app called BossJock Jr. It's right here on the iPhone because when you stream live, when you're going to podcast, when you're trying to record off a mixing board into your live stream or anything like that, you have to set the levels first. So let's set these levels. Download this app, BossJock Jr., onto your iPhone or a similar app for Android, which I don't know of. If you guys do, put it there in the comments in this video because I have everything set up. I have my microphone. I have another video about how I set this up. So when you set this up, you want to set up your levels in your headphones, make it sound really good to you. You can use your effects, your compression, everything like that. Then you plug in using what I use is the Headset Buddy. I plug the Headset Buddy into, just out of the board, into my Headset Buddy. That goes straight into my iPhone. And I'm getting ready to go live on my iPhone. So what I gotta do is I have to use a level meter. You want a level meter. This is an actual level meter. It will show you when you're talking through this. Let's see. Check 1, check 2, check 1. So if you turn this volume all the way down, you'll see there's no volume going into BossJock. So when you turn it all the way up, just a little bit, you can get some level, signal, check, check. So you want to see this, you want to get used to BossJock Jr. giving yourself a good level on your iPhone. Okay, check, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2. Now I see it's good. I see that I've got a good level there and I know that this sounds good. You can do a test recording. You can record this and then listen back to it. So we'll do that right now. I'm recording, check, 1, 2, check, check, check. Finish that recording, then I'm going to unplug this. This is just all testing before you go live. So finish this, save this recording, and then I think I can just go back and listen to the recording. Do a test recording, you can record this and then listen back to it. So we'll do that right now. I'm recording, check, 1, 2, check, check, check. Finish that recording, then I'm going to testing. Perfect. Now I had effects on there from my last video, so I do not want some reverb going through my microphone, and that's fine. So that's what you do. You test, you record, you listen. You're like, I got a good signal, especially if you're using guitar, vocals. Just do a little test, do a little audio just check because you don't want to overload and you don't want to be soft. A lot of times on Facebook Live and on all these videos you hear these people are really soft, you can't hear them, or it's buzzy, or there's this hiss in the audio, and that's all the kind of stuff that's going to happen. But not if you do a little bit of a test, if you get the right connections. So how I have this connected is this is left, right, out, going 1/4 inch into this little 1/8 inch thing, right into the Headphone Buddy line level attenuator, into my little iPhone dot, which this thing is the worst thing iPhones ever did. You got your little thing, you got to have these everywhere, okay? Then you stick it into your phone. You open up BossJock and you check it out and you see if it is going to work, if it is the right thing. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Put your comments in this video. That is how you absolutely have to test your audio. Don't go on to Facebook Live with too soft or blowing out your phone. Make sure that it's the right input level into your phone before you hit the Go Live button. Bless you.